Is your website's imagery looking a little Euros squished on mobile? Let's fix that and make every image on your Webflow site shine on any device. First, we need to get our image into Webflow. Select the image you want to make mobile-friendly. You'll notice in the Style panel on the right. Under the Size section, we have width and height for mobile friendliness. We'll be focusing on the width. By default, images often have their width set to auto, which can cause them to overflow on smaller screens. We need to tell the image to be responsive. Click on the auto next to width. From the drop-down, choose the percentage option and select 100%. This tells the image to take up the full width of its parent container, whatever that container's size may be. Now, let's switch to our tablet preview. See how the image has automatically scaled down to fit perfectly within the screen width. This is the magic of percentage-based sizing. And now, check it out on mobile. No more distortion, no more overflowing. Your image looks sharp and professional, adapting seamlessly to the smaller screen. This technique ensures your images are not only visible, but also look great, improving user experience and keeping visitors engaged no matter how they access your site. Remember, for this to work best, the container holding your image should also be set to a responsive width, typically a percentage, so the image has a flexible space to adapt to. So go forth and make all your Webflow images mobile-friendly. It's a simple step that makes a huge difference in how your website is perceived. For more Webflow tips, be sure to subscribe.